Hi everyone, I'm Dave Hanley, the CEO of Tomorrow. Tomorrow is a company that was set up to solve a really important issue, which is that in the US, many of you, our life carriers know, 3/4 of Americans don't have life insurance. Coupled with that is that 2/3 of Americans don't even have a will, and if you're under 40, it's actually 80%. And so right now in America, the vast majority of children don't have guardianship established in case anything happens to their parents. Families don't have a plan in place. And so we decided to really start by I'm not the only one. Can you advance the slide? By putting together three industries that have historically been separate. The data, the things that people need to do, the activities, decisions are actually very overlapping. And we found that we could actually encourage people to do things that they tend to avoid by actually combining them and making them more aspirational, focusing on planning for their families and building wealth. So if we go to the next slide, you'll see that we also focused on solving an industry problem, which is around customer acquisition. Going head to head with other broker against broker or broker against carrier effectively is transferring all of your potential margin to Google and Facebook. What you'll see in the Tomorrow app, which I'll demo in a second, is that we actually acquire customers through a will. For starters, a will and a trust, and then we use that to learn about them and their family and their finances, and then recommend the right amount of life insurance. So this is going to play and show you a little bit about what we do at Tomorrow. Go ahead and play the video. Inside Tomorrow, you come through, and by the way, this is the new design for those of you who have it. You have a 10% chance of seeing this. You add your family, so you'll see my wife and kids are there, and you actually invite your spouse by sending them a text to join. Then you learn what guardians are through watching animated videos, and then you select a family member or a friend to fulfill that. We tap into the contacts on your phone, so it's effectively one click to do that. You can opt to send them a text message that lets them know, hey, this is really important, I'd like you to do it, and would you be interested? Here's what's involved. You can sync your accounts, add different things so we can effectively fund your trust and at the same time understand exactly how much life insurance you need. Take pictures of things around your home and we will add those to your will and you can decide who gets what and change your mind as life goes along. So we use all those things to create a legal will, legal in all 50 states, which is in accordance with your wishes, the needs of your family, and the laws of your state. It's building a will right now based on me and all the decisions that you've seen inside of there. And then we also do a trust. Now, we take all that information and actually use it to determine exactly what your life insurance needs are. Again, you told me you have a family, you have 2 kids, you're married, you live in this state, and we use that and we understand your assets to say this is exactly what your life insurance needs. What's interesting is that people came in for a free will. More than 2% of them actually buy a life insurance policy, and this is after we still have a lot of optimization to go. We just launched at the end of summer. So we have 9 carriers on the system. We're looking for more, especially those that have an instant decision product. We'd be very interested in working with you. And then also as we're layering in additional products to the platform, both on the finance side as well as disability and long-term care, we'd be interested in talking with you as well. Thanks, everyone.